Hey guys, it's Maria Guild. So I wanted to make this video really quickly. I've been thinking about this for a long time, and that is buying a candle making kit. I love making candles, and I've always wanted to just try making my own. And I've done a ton of research trying to find like a good starter kit. So I ordered this one from Amazon, and I just wanted to do an unboxing with you guys. I've never opened it. I'm going to open it for the first time, but I found a really good deal on it, and it kind of had everything that I was looking for. Like it had the pot, the thermometer, the wax, the fragrance, all of it together in one kit. So I'm going to link this kit below, and let's open it. All right, here goes. So I already peeled the paper a little bit, and you guys are getting to open it with me. I have not opened this, and hopefully we like it. And we become candle makers. Now, seriously, I spent so much money on candles that I was like, well, this is the next step. I love making candles. All right, so it comes in a little box like this. Oh, and this is the soy wax, which is awesome because there's no fumes or toxins or anything like that with the soy candle wax. So that's cool. That's another plus. Again, this was very cheap. Most of the starter kits kind of start around $45, $50, and I think this was under $40. So let's keep looking. All right, can you guys see? Oof. Okay, here we go. All right, so you open it up, and the first thing it has, I'm gonna try and put this down a little bit. It's got the thermometer. The digital thermometer, which I love. Like, it was very hard to find a kit that had a thermometer in it too. And trying to purchase these on their own were about $14 to $17. So I think this was a good deal. Here's a manual. I don't know if you guys can see, the light's really blaring. And then what I loved about this kit too is it came with some candle making tins, and I just kind of wanted a plain tin. I didn't want anything super colorful or anything like that because I can add my own stickers and stuff like that. This has the candle wax things. It actually has some color dye and the little sticks to keep your wax in place when you're pouring. And then it's got a bunch of wax and a pot, which is great too. Oh, and so this honestly was one of the most complete sets I've seen. And it has 4 fragrance scents. So, ooh, I'm excited. They're natural essential oil. There's a sage. There is a sandalwood, which I actually like, and sweet orange and lavender. So those aren't bad scents for like a starter kit. Awesome. Okay, I'm excited. And then here is a nice pot, and this is actually a decent size, especially for this price, because a lot of the cheaper kits, they just had like a really small little melting pot. So honestly, after all the research I've done, I really like this starter kit. Oh, and then here's just like a warning label that you can put on the bottom. I don't know if you can see. Oh my God, the light's so strong. You can put it on the bottom of your tin. It's basically like, keep your candle wax out of your eyeballs, kind of, you know, warning. Anyways, that's the unboxing. This is the kit. I'll make a video of us making the candles and kind of my review on that. But so far, I'm very happy. I'm impressed. It's a decent amount of wax. It comes with everything I need. And I'm excited, and I'm looking forward to making myself some candles because I sure buy a lot. Anyways, again, I will put the link in the description. If you want to try it out for yourself, it's pretty inexpensive, and we're all still at home with COVID, and it might be something fun to do. All right, bye.